Okay, then we are tonight at Symbian Foundation. It's the Wild Ducks area, and we've got a few people working on the Wild Ducks project. We've got a few people from the Symbian Foundation, and of course we've got some external people. One of them is Jose Chachil from Cell Telecom, who is actually that company is Fujitsu. Then Jose, why are you here with the Wild Ducks? Why did you decide to join us? It was related to work, or it was related to personal interest?
It's one of the reasons is like I was looking for a chance to work on open source. So I came to know about the Wild Duck from the Symbian Foundation website. And tomorrow I want to get involved with some driver development.
Okay. Then basically it's to improve your skill set,
yeah,
and
to improve my skill set as well as to contribute to the open community.
Okay. Then, right now you are working on Ethernet, I believe.
Yeah, I mean I'm supposed to work on Ethernet driver, and right now I'm working on the Cyborg and QEMU. I'm trying to get the internet connectivity working on Cyborg.
What did you find of by coming on Tuesday evening to Symbian Foundation? Because you come from Brighton, I believe.
Yeah, that's true.
And what do you like about the Tuesday evening? Have you found things interesting? Or
Definitely pizzas.
Pizza, okay, that is a good one. Pizza Domino. And the fact you get as well maybe some help from people when
Definitely yes.
Okay. This was a little interview with Jose, and we'll go to the next one with Colin. Is getting ready. Thanks very much for your time.
You see makeup right now.
Yeah.
It's Scarlet work yesterday. Really good.
This is the second part of the interview for the evening with Colin Pigot from Nokia.
Just over the road.
Yeah, okay, and in London, and it's got not too far to come to the Wild Ducks. Then, Colin, could you let us know how you find out about the Wild Ducks?
Actually, my boss told me. I
Oh,
thought,
okay.
aha, this sounds interesting.
Okay.
And joined and
Okay.
learned a lot of interesting stuff along the way, which is usually
Okay.
quite a lot of fun.
Okay. And then, if your boss told you it was interesting, what was his idea behind that? By telling you that, what is the purpose and the objective?
I actually work for SysDocs, and we do a lot of kernel stuff. So I'm an ex-developer working on kernel hardware services. This is actually useful for what we're doing.
Okay.
So I think you want somebody to A, develop contacts, and B, actually keep their hand in, yes, keep the skills going.
Okay.
So
Okay. Then you are doing mainly that for work, but have you got as well some personal interest in the Wild Ducks?
yeah, I mean it keeps my hand in. So
Okay.
and also working with stuff I've never worked before. I've never worked with GPS before.
Okay.
Not to this level anyway.
Okay. And that is something you are really interested, and it's for that you are here tonight.
Yeah.
You know, getting the setup and trying to get some GPS trace out.
Except it now says there's no signal. I don't know where you are.
Okay, work in progress. Maybe
Yeah.
we need to set up the Wild Ducks outside to get some signal. And by joining us on a Tuesday evening, are you happy with that? What do you get out of that? Is it perfect for you? Is it the right atmosphere and the right?
Oh, it's a good right atmosphere, right?
Yeah. Pizza, I guess, again?
That's a good incentive.
That's good. See, you should come for the pizzas at least. Then okay, well that's good then. But we hope you enjoy your time here, and
Thanks.
to get the great things out from all your work and contribution to the community for the Wild Ducks. Thanks very much.
Nice.
Thanks.